Halo-halong emosyon nga ang naramdaman ng mga tagahanga at taga-suporta ng kapamilya star na si Kim Chu dahil ngayon nga ay nagsampa ng kaso si Kim Chu laban sa sariling kapatid na si Lakang Chu. Asia's multimedia idol Kim Chu, together with her lawyers, Leaplo Liligan Espinosa at Presto Legal and Technical Consultancy has formally filed a case against Lakambini Chu at the Justice Cecilia Muñoz Palma Hall, DOJ Building, Quezon City, as of this morning. Ito nga ang mga naging reaksyon ng mga netizens patungkol dito. Kim, hugs to you. Imagine yung kakapuyat from one taping to another na emotionally and physically demanding tapos lulustayan lang ng iba na parang ang dali-dali lang kinita. It hurts more kasi kapatid pa gumawa, the one you trusted the most to manage your finances, kapatid na alam paano kayo nagsimula sa wala. So sorry this had to happen, Kimi. This must have been a very difficult decision to make. Grabe ang tiwala mo kay Ate Lakam mo. But you do what you have to do to protect your peace. Praying for your family. Kayo, anong masasabi nyo tungkol dito? Just comment down below.